clamp it to your dick. You're not clamping it to my dick.
I'm okay. I don't want this GoPro man clamping my dick.
Hey guys, it is Chris and Miles here. This is Chris, I am Miles, and we are here in my garage to work on Chris's XS850. His Yamaha motorcycle is an old 3-cylinder bike. It's epic. You've already seen it. We have videos out showing it off. So I'm not
Go check it out.
Go check it out, what he said. I'll link one here in the video. But we need to get some stuff done on it today, and it starts with the project we kind of left off in the last video, which is getting this area all sorted out. We want to get these things cut off and get it all prettied up, and we need to get covers over this edge so we can hide all the wiring from prying eyes. We need to get the rear end sorted. We need to get the gas tank mounted. We need to get a seat mounted. We need to get...
Look at these terrible welds, guys.
Yeah.
It's not coming off.
Not quite. We expected it to fall off easier. They're really bad welds, as you can see. They are cracking, so that's a good sign that they're, you know, absolutely terrible.
You painted them? No.
Yes. So what we're doing is finishing up our little wiring box. We're going to have everything boxed in all nice and clean to make it, you know, pretty, is the hope.
Hopefully.
So that's kind of what it's going to look like.
And it'll have pink Sharpie on it, because Miles...
I love pink Sharpie, that's why. So my signature is a pink Sharpie on whatever I build.
So I'm going to be flipping these handlebars because I cannot turn this bike worth anything because it keeps hitting the tank, and as you can tell, it's already damaged a little bit, but we will repaint it. And so I'll have to completely rotate the handlebars, flip them upside so I'll have a little more turning radius for now. And then we'll get straight handlebars. And Miles is doing so damn well on this wiring box here, if you can't see. It's turning out lovely. Don't you think, Miles?
It's okay, yeah.
It's okay. He doesn't give himself credit because he's a little critique and a little, like, mad about himself, but he's doing a really good job, guys.
Thank
like,
you, Chris.
He's a big mess, though. What do you think, Miles?
Well, we got the little wiring box mostly finished, so that's cool.
Yeah, look how good it looks, guys. It's, like, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Kind of simple.
Great job, Miles. But, so, I flipped the handlebars, and, well...
They're fugly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't look good. So I think new handlebars are in the future in this thing.
Oh, yeah, for sure. You think it looks that bad?
I think it looks hideous. But it's your prerogative.
Well, if I put it back down, right, he's going to keep knocking on the...
Oh, I don't put it back down. No, that's a bad idea, but... God, that's ugly. Here, let me see the camera. Okay.
Oh, I need to tilt them down more, but, like...
Now that he's on it, I don't hate it as much.
No.
It's weird looking, but it's not ugly. It's like ugly.
It's So one less ugly. Thank
Yeah.
God, right?
An entire unit of ugly less.
I think it looks good. For now.
This is the mess of wires we have. We have now finished a little like wiring box assembly thing. It's masked by the wires. This is all raw metal right here, and they're just little stitch welds. We may do a full seam weld of it, but right now we like the look of it. We do need to paint this in the near future, but we figure we can get all the wiring stuff sorted out in the meantime. So what that means is that we need to get rear lights on this thing. When you get the battery mounted, it'll go right there. I have the battery right here. I can show you what that's going to look like. So the battery is going to go right in there, and it'll be flipped the other way around like so. So I need to build a simple little mounting thing to hold the battery down in the bike. And then we need to figure out how to get all these wires, you know, connected correctly, because there's quite a few loose ones, as you can see. Get the wiring in the back to the lights hooked up. Put the seat on, make sure it looks pretty, and then that should be all done. Alright, so we made good progress today, but it's time to call it to an end. We got the frame painted, we got this rear bar mounted. We're going to want to paint that down the road as well so it doesn't rust. We figured out all the wiring stuff, so we know what goes to the blinkers, and we know they work. We just need to pick up a new relay for them, and then they'll be set. Other than that, we didn't accomplish everything we wanted to do. We had a list, and we didn't get everything done. I had on my list to get the seat and the tank mounted. That was a big thing we didn't get done, as well as the rear lights. We've decided instead of just trying to jerry-rig it with what we've got, we're going to order the lights we actually want to put on there and make it, you know, do it right the first time. So in the next video, we'll have those. We will get the bike on the road, get out riding it, hopefully get some good video of it, and Chris can enjoy it.
Yeah, enjoy it for what it is.
You know, like any project, it does get frustrating to have to sit and look at it as you work on it and not be able to enjoy it. That's really what makes these things worth it doing. So next time, we'll be back, and we'll fix the bike, and we'll enjoy it, and it'll be a good time.